Guys, here we go. Last box of NFL Foundations 2005 from Upper Deck. Third box of this product that we've broken today. Haven't hit too much. Mainly just looking for either Marion Barber, Brandon Jacobs, or Jason Campbell rookies. Not too much else coming out of the 05s right now. First pack, all base. Base there again. Still a fun product to break just because of the fact that you're going to hit at least 3 autographs per box. We did hit 4 in the first box, with one of them being a duel, so it's kind of nice. Rookie on this one, wide receiver for the Tennessee Titans, Roydell Williams, number 177 of 399. And the signature foundations there, got Antaj Hawthorne of the Oakland Raiders. Another signature there. Rookie signatures of Thomas Davis of the Carolina Panthers, number 572 of 575. Base. And there we go, we got a rookie in that one. Running back, Jesse Lumsden, number 189 of 399 of the Seattle Seahawks. And therein is the bad part about buying product from 2 years ago. I have no idea if that guy's even in the league anymore. On the upside, I suppose 2005 has a lot of guys who got the potential to show up on rosters over the next year or two. All base there. Base. Base again. And once again, in this product, all you're going to get is about 3 or 4 autographs per box. There's no game used in here at all. Base. Michael Roos, gold, 38 of 99 for the Tennessee Titans. Base there again. last 2 packs. And that one's got an Anthony Davis of the Indianapolis Colts autograph rookie of 248 of 699. And all base. Alright guys, thanks.